Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block emails or how to block users in Outlook. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. And so the first we need to go and open the browser, and now we need to go to our search engine, which is Google, my favorite one. And now once we hit in Google, we're going to search for Outlook and open website of Outlook over here. Click on it to the email of Outlook. And then once you're here, you need to log in with your account or sign up if you don't have an account. And then once you log in successfully, so for example, we got this email from Best of MSN. So we click on it to open the email over here. And so once we open the email, we got these 3 points. So we click on them for more actions or more options. And then we go here to block. As you can see, block Best of MSN or never block Best of MSN. So if we'd like to delete this email, we click on delete over here, and then let's go for example for this email, and we click on more options, and then we go to block and click on block Best of MSN. And that's how we can block emails or users on Outlook. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.